Come on. Come on, girl.
We're about to go over here and get some cows up at a farm and worm them, blackleg them, and haul some calves to the sale barn for this guy. Hopefully everything will go good.
I'm just gonna take Dixie and Bree today.
Eggs because I'm out of all washed eggs. I like to have some washed up and in the refrigerator ready to go when I'm cooking so I don't have to stop and wash them. Here's a turkey egg. Oh, I love this one. It's a really pretty speckled brown one. I love the speckled ones. And Miss Turkeys are always speckled, so that's how her eggs look. They're really pretty. Some more, I'm looking for the other towel I had. Some more people have asked about how do the turkey eggs taste. They taste just like chicken eggs. Especially like in a recipe. If you're putting an egg in a recipe, you would never know the difference. As far as scrambled eggs, they are, you know, they taste the same. They taste like scrambled eggs. But like, you know how when you make scrambled eggs and they can all really hold together good, turkey eggs don't do that as well. But yeah, they're bigger, of course, a lot bigger, and the shell is really, really hard. I mostly use them now. I used to scramble them, but then I started noticing, you know, that they break apart like they do. So now I mostly use them for baking or cooking, like if I need an egg in a casserole or meatloaf or, you know, cake, anything like that. They're perfect for that because you can't tell any difference. And I was just about to go let the chickens out, but it is pouring down rain. I had one of Miss Turkey's eggs still in there this morning when I made just cream cheese bagels and fried eggs this morning. I did some sunny side up, some just fried. I had to wash some eggs to make those real quick.
It's a baby elephant.
Oh, Sissy made an elephant. That's adorable. Oh no, the elephant. Since it's raining and we can't go outside, I'm gonna go ahead and put supper together for tonight. We're having spaghetti pie. This is a new spaghetti pie. I think I made one a long time ago, or maybe I was gonna make it and then change my mind. We've never made this recipe before. Either way, it's a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it all put together in the pan. That way, when I get ready to cook supper later, all I have to do is take it out of the refrigerator, put it in the oven. Maybe by the time we finish that, the rain will be gone. But don't you just hate when it rains just enough to get the ground all wet? I mean, it's good for the garden, but the rest of the ground, it'd be nice if it could stay dry, just the garden be wet. I know we need some cream cheese, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that out. I'll probably have to warm it up in the microwave a little bit. We need Monterey Jack cheese and Colby Jack and some green onions. We just have the thin, Great Value thin spaghetti. You wanna try one?
Yeah.
Which one do you wanna try? Titus got these honey straws at, I think we got them at the Blue Ridge Mountain Mall. I think that's where we got those. You wanna try the red one? Okay.
Do you drink it?
Yeah, you kind of squeeze it. It's honey. You like it? That one kind of tastes like a cherry honey.
This one kind of tastes like strawberries.
Yeah, they taste cherry.
Mine really tastes like coconut.
Yeah, Sissy's is coconut and these are cherry. Yours taste strawberry. So we got the water going for the spaghetti. I'm gonna put the ground beef here, and we need to chop up an onion and some garlic. We'll go ahead and put the onions in over here. The water's ready for the spaghetti. since I'm making this a little earlier than I had planned, the cream cheese isn't softened yet, so I'm just going to put it in the microwave on the defrost setting for just a little bit to soften it up. I just cut it into some cubes. Ground beef is almost done. Spaghetti's done. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off. That's good. I got the ground beef drained. We're going to put in 2 jars of pasta sauce. We'll put the cream cheese in this bowl with 2 cups of sour cream. Adding in some green onions. Get this all mixed together. Just kind of pressing down that cream cheese to make sure it blends in good.
Look, it's actually inside. Very cool, right? That's good.
Alright, we've got our 9x13 pan sprayed. First we put down the spaghetti. We're going to spread the sour cream and cream cheese mixture over the top of the spaghetti. Now we add the meat mixture. And the cheese on top. We're going to put a little Monterey Jack. And now the Colby Jack. That's it. We'll let this cool down, cover it, and put it in the refrigerator. And then when we get ready to bake it, it's ready to go. We just put it in the oven. It's going to bake for about 25 minutes covered at 350, and then we'll uncover it and let it go about 5 to 10 more minutes. We won't have a big mess later. The big mess is now. Very good. I guess I'll go there. I think that was an illegal move. Oh, I almost forgot about the garlic bread, y'all. This is almost done. I just put it on roll to brown the top a little bit, and we gotta put the garlic bread in the oven.
Good.
It's got, there's a layer of cream cheese and sour cream with green onions in there.
That is really, really good. I like the sharp, it tastes like sharp cheddar.
It's Monterey Jack and Colby Jack.
That's definitely something you would want to make again. That's really good.